This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents... You're right, sir. Asteroids are close.
It's like 305 fireballs. Everybody knows you can't get hurt by something if it's in a bag. Welcome to the latest edition of Asteroid Fight Club. I'm your host, Thor Durden, and in this episode, I am super confused. I don't know what the hell is going on with asteroids, man. I covered this for a year like a champion. I felt like I got a hot stick in the butt and a scar to show it. After a year of dedication, could I get a tweet from any of the premier asteroid scientists? Hell no. Did they make any sense? Hell no. Did NASA start talking about the dangers of asteroids? Hell yeah. They weren't even talking about blowing up asteroids. They were talking about capturing an asteroid. Like, oh my God, we've got a 12-mile asteroid headed towards Earth. It's going to destroy us. What do you want to do? They were like, capture it? Put a bag around it? Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Let's put a bag around it. Everybody knows you can't get hurt by something if it's in a bag. So, just the other day, I turned on my space weather. Just the other day being yesterday. It's like 305 fireballs. And I'm like, whoop, whoop. Sound the confused alarm and sound it now. You got 305 fireballs. And you got an asteroid, 2014. It just shows up out of nowhere, 0.1 lunar distance, which is close enough that no debunker can even say, hell no, that ain't close. And then, nobody really talks about that one, but this one coming up, Asteroid 2014, RC Cola Radio Control Doom. Close approach to Earth, September 7th, 2014. Brought to you by, that's right, P. Chode Ass from the NASA Jet Propulsion Lab. This Sunday, weekend asteroid flyby. So throw a party, make some moonshine, or just mix Kool-Aid with the alcohol of your choice. This Sunday, a house-sized asteroid named 2014 RC will fly through the Earth-Moon system almost inside the orbit of geosynchronous satellites. At the closest approach, September 7th at 1818 UTC, the 20-meter wide space rock will pass just 40,000 kilometers over New Zealand, or that's 25,000 miles to you non-metric mofos. This diagram from NASA shows the geometry of the encounter. Could an asteroid kill 1 billion people? Yes. Could an asteroid wipe out a city? Absolutely. Could an asteroid kill you? You bet your unsweet Bippy Johnny. Is science and the media mentally conflicted with mixed signals on the subject of asteroid and asteroid danger? Absolutely. But hey, it is a fudged up, wacky, wonked out world. So up is down, down is up, dead is money, bad is good, and I'm single. Surprise! Johnny, get out of here. I'm tired of talking to you. There ain't no Johnny. There is no danger of a collision with Earth. Great that science knows everything. Ultimately, even though there are possible dangers, there's never really any danger. Do you understand? Me neither. So let's keep moving. Asteroid 2014 RC Radio Control Doom was discovered on the night of August 31st when two astronomers were making out by a telescope. One bumped in and in a moment of orgasm looked through the scope and saw a speck of doom hurtling our way at the Catalina Sky Survey near Tucson, Arizona. That lover couple independently detected the next night by the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, coincidentally where two more astronomers were making out, and that one was located on the summit of Haleakala, Maui, Hawaii. The close approach to this space rock offers researchers an opportunity for point-blank studies of a near-Earth asteroid. Point blank, huh? Alright. Even amateur astronomers who are the forefront, they are the soldier, the Air Force, the Navy, the Marines, the National Guard, the Army of Asteroid Defense. Your government fears asteroids so much, it put it in the hands of the people. Like here, climate change is too much for us to deal with. We don't have the energy and time to worry about asteroids, asteroid danger, warnings, crap like that. You guys, you people take care of it. But put it as a lower priority than making money, paying your taxes, because I don't know if you taxpayers know this, you guys owe your government a lot of money. Like if you had it in bills, I don't think all the cars in the world could hold all the money we owe. Who again? Who do we owe the money to? I forget. But this is not about economics. This is by Asteroids. Follow-up observations quickly confirm the orbit of 2014 RC. It comes from just beyond the orbit of Mars. The close approach to this space rock offers researchers an opportunity for the point-blank studies. Oh, I've read all this. Even amateur astronomers will be able to track it. I know. I think Bruce Gary's busy. Oh, that's a good Comet Ison joke. I think he went into golf now. Around the time of its closest approach, it will brighten to magnitude plus 11.5 as it zips through the constellation Pisces. So imagine it like a little fishy swimming by the window of Earth in our little solar system aquarium. This means it will be invisible to the naked eye, but if you put some clothes on your eyes, you might be able to see it with a backyard telescope. Though, do not buy a telescope too big or NASA will start tracking you. They don't like people to have big telescopes. I made all that up because I thought I could lead to a funny place with it, but I could not. According to NASA, the orbit of 2014 RC will bring it back to our planet's neighborhood in the near future. Awesome. The asteroid's future motion will be closely monitored. Awesome. But no future threatening Earth encounters have been identified. Awesome. Here we are. We're going to pass by 2 stories about the sun, because we all know the sun doesn't affect anything, so it don't matter. Man, I'm in a weird mood, huh? So yesterday there were 305 fireballs, which I was like, wow, that's weird, considering there's no major meteor shower going on. And that's still a large number even for a large meteor shower. And today, we only have 38 fireballs. And in my opinion, most of them seem to be coming from like this area. The fireballs are all, it's like high and inclined. You know, it's like fireballs if they were sliding down a ladder. I like it when I make no sense. All right, so on yesterday's chart, wait, what happened? They added RC to this, but this number did not go up. You guys are bad at math, lazy, or disingenuous. That's okay, because I'm a comedian. And none of this makes any sense. But hey, it's 2014. We're all supposed to be crazy. And then I'll cover more of this crap later, but this is interesting. This is interesting. Between September 19th and October 7th, just in this little window, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 asteroids larger than a kilometer. And one of them is Asteroid 2014 NE52. And that's interesting because NASA estimated a couple years ago that they had found 93% of all asteroids larger than 1 kilometer. And as I've been pointing out slowly through my videos, pretty sure their math is off. So once again, that brings me circularly back to why the pros kind of talk about asteroids as danger, but then they really act like they don't care at all. Why journalists are like, yeah, that's all woo, like asteroid danger and Nibiru are conspiracy theories by crazy people who live in their mom's basement, eat Nutella all day, and stuff sponges in a jar of mustard to masturbate. And I'm like, Universe Today, wow, you dudes got weird. You know? You guys have gotten weird. You know? Almost as weird as our own government. Airglow! What the F? We're going over to the Universe Today. Yeah, they had a story on sprites, gravity waves, and airglow. Remember, it's normal. Even if aliens descend from the sky in a spaceship, take your family, your gold, and your gasoline, and then take off with your right hand and your left eyeball. That is normal. Don't complain, just go to work, pay your taxes. I don't see no sprites. Oh, there's stills. Okay, over at the Universe Today, we got Bob King, Mr. Seniority at Universe Today, saying, get ready for Sunday's close flyby of Asteroid 2014 RC. First of all, if you can't see it with the telescope, and there's a 100% chance it's not going to affect us, why do people have to get ready? Get ready for something that won't affect you at all. You know, it'd be like saying, hey, get ready for dark matter. You won't be able to smell it, see it, touch it, feel it, but get ready for it. Okay? Sounds great. Okay, so, he goes to the article, and guess who's dropping by for a quick visit this weekend? It should be guess what is dropping by for a quick visit this weekend. And dropping implies height, and that's coming down. On Sunday, a 60-foot wide, 20 meters asteroid named 2014 RC will skim just 25,000 miles from Earth. That's within spitting distance of all those geosynchronous communication weather satellites orbiting at 20,300 miles. Hey, there's that Skull and Bones number. The Earth is just a big canoe. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Alright, right now we're taking a look at 2014 Ra. Alright, right now we're taking a look at 2014 Ra. Now, you're saying, why are we looking at 2014 Ra? And I'm saying, because Yesterday, it passed within zero point 0.1 lunar distances between Earth and outer space. It was close. It wasn't very big, but they only noticed it on the first, and I believe it had its RA was found on the first, last observed on the second. Goes into the Mars Ceres region, which is out here. So we get one of those fun 6.0 E negative 4 AUs. 0.001. What does this mean? Does anybody know? I don't know. 40 E negative 4 AU. Alright, so that's the one that just passed. This is the house asteroid that is House Asteroid Party. And then this is 2014 RC Cola, radio controlled asteroid. Ooh, it gets down to a 3.0 E-4. And it stays there for 2 hours. Very interesting. 9/7/2014. Add all that up, that's 23. Numbers don't mean anything.